Ready? I want you to look the other way, and I want you to relax your arm in your lap, just like that. I'm going to wipe it down first. So relax. I want you to take a deep breath. Deep, deep, deep. Take a deep breath in. And now. Not bad? Good. That was worth getting out of the pool for.